An unsent letter to my first love. You are my sunshine in the rain. You didn't know how my heart fluttered when you sent me this. I still remember the first time I heard your voice. It made me choose you over an 8-hour sleep. I still remember our conversations. They made me wake up at night and made my stomach hurt because of unending laughter. I still remember the first time I saw your face. That one awkward and slow-mo moment because I can't even look at you straight in the eye. I can still remember our first date, the day when I got to know you more. I can still remember the first time you held my hands. I had never believed in butterflies in the stomach until you intertwined our hands. I still remember the first time you called me love. It made my heart skip a beat. I still remember the first time you said, I love you. I was so astonished and I couldn't react right away. I can still remember our first fight. It made my knees tremble and my eyes cry. I can still remember the first time you kissed me. It was magical and unforgettable. But I guess all of these good things must come to an end. I don't know what happened, but you drifted away from me. Of course it hurts, but what can I do about it anyway? I guess there are really things that aren't meant to stay forever. But after everything we've been through, I just want to thank you. You came into my life in the most unexpected time and you swept me off my feet. Thank you for not hesitating to make me yours. Like what I always say to you, you made me smile bigger than I ever have and you have brought sunshine into my life, even if I didn't ask for it. Thank you for hugging me when I couldn't stand the pain and for wiping my tears away when my own hands couldn't do it. Lastly, thank you for your love. At most points in my life, that was just what I needed. God knows how much I love you and how much I'm willing to do everything for you. I hope you know that I never wanted to leave you or let you go. I think your happiness doesn't include me anymore. Of course it hurts, but what can I do about it anyway? All this time, all I want for you is to be happy, the way you're meant to be. I love you so much, and even if I want you to stay in my life forever, I know you can't. I badly want you to stay. It pains me to death, but I have to do this. I'm setting you free. I remember once you sent me a picture with a statement, please don't be temporary. You even told me that you wanted me to be your last girlfriend and you're willing to marry me already. I would love to be someone permanent in your life, but maybe we are just each other's temporary. You are my first love and you will always have a special place in my heart. Sorry if I ever was an awful lover or I couldn't give you the love that you needed. It always saddened me every time you tell me that you don't deserve me. But maybe we really don't deserve each other. Not because you or I ain't that good enough, but because we're onto two different paths. You are no perfect man. You have your own imperfections, but I was willing to accept you for who you are, because my love for you will always be greater than your flaws. Please take good care of yourself. There are a lot of things ahead of you. Sadly, these things will no longer include me. But then again, there's still a little hope in me that someday we'll meet again and we could give it another shot. I will miss you. Your face, your smile, your laugh, your hugs and kisses. Everything about you. I will miss you so bad. I love you always, in all ways. Goodbye, my love. This is probably the last time I'll call you that. P.S. I know that this is not a confession, but I just want to say it here kasi hindi ko kayang sabihin directly sa tao. Thank you. UST, Senior High School, 2018, 15.